Ayan, ito na guys. Nakat na natin. Ayan, tikman na natin. Na, come here now. Okay, tikman natin ng isa. Ayan. Tikman natin kung gaano siya katamis. Tamis guys. Tamis. Lagsam itan. Tamis guys. So sweet. Maganda pala yung napili ko. Nak! Hello guys. Hello. Punta ako sa aking appointment. Ayan. Laboratory. Yes, laboratory. Ang daming nagtitinda ng mga gulay dito sa harapan. Guyabaan ito. Ang fruit ito. Guys. Magre-rest ng buho tayo. Pagre-rest. Kamahin ako mag-rest. Ipikapin ko yung refill ko guys. Hello guys. Maraming nagtitinda ng mga gulay dito sa labas ng Kaiser. Ano kaya to? Dragon fruits. 5.99 na pound. Tapos guyabano. Guyabano magkano pa yung ganda. Papaya. Saluyo. Guyabano guys, oh.
Yeah, we only knew that.
Guyabano. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit.
I have a question. What is this? How come it's this color?
There's two trees growing next to each other.
Yeah?
Yeah, eventually they
What's the
change.
color of this?
No,
Red.
White on all? White?
All red.
Yeah, because get out purple and then white, yeah, right?
Yeah, it's like purple, red, or pink.
Isn't this sweet too?
Yeah. So the red one, and then it goes red, yellow, or red, no, white, red, and then yellow.
She wants that.
Yeah, I was waiting on this thing.
And then
Some kind of fruit. No, I was raised in the country.
Right, we used to the yellow one, yeah.
Yeah, the lily boys.
The yellow one is sweeter.
Yeah?
But this is still good too, but you know, you gotta eat it when it's kind of sugary. That's when it's not as sweet.
You guys have found this fruit?
I used to live in Florence when Mililani wasn't Mililani. And it was just straight red dirt.
Yeah.
Dragon fruits, guys. Okay, kuha tayo ng tatlo.
So when I actually said, oh, this is town.
Ooh, cities?
Yeah.
Staying here.
This one is good or small or what's more better? The big one or a small one?
Just depends on how much you want. The skin,
Oh,
the
this one.
outside is thin, so it's
Yeah.
mostly meat. So if you want a big one, get more dragon fruit. Small
Oh.
one, just a little bit.
So it just depends how much meat you want.
See, I never
Oh,
seen
how much is that now?
baby onions.
1953
Okay,
for all.
thank you.
19, okay.
Ito guys, ang nabili natin kanina paglabas ko sa Kaiser Hospital. Ayan. Kasi pinick up ko yung refill ko at saka nagpa blood test ako. Ayan. Ayan guys. 3 piraso. Ano, 5.99 a pound yata yun. Yeah, 5.99 a pound. And then, 3 piraso is almost $20, $19.50. Kasi yung 20 ko, may sukli akong 50 cents. O, ganyan. Ayan. Okay, ayan. Kaya, ikat natin kung matamis ba or paano. Ayan, ito kararating ko lang. Galing ako, Kaiser. Kasi dumiretso ako. After work, dumiretso na ako. Kasi may laboratory, ano ako, check. Tapos, nag-pick up ako ng refill medicine. Ayan. Okay, tingnan natin. Cut natin yung isa. Ayan, ito na guys. Nakat na natin. Ayan, tikman na natin. Na, come here now! Okay, tikman natin ng isa. Ayan. Tikman natin kung gaano siya katamis. Tamis guys. Tamis. Lagsam itan. Tamis guys. So sweet. Maganda pala yung napili ko. Nak! Oh, it's too sweet. Guys. Sweet. Ayan, kararating ko lang. Kinain ko na kagad. Nagtitinda sila sa sa harapan ng Kaiser. Ayan. Gusto daw ng anak ko. Tamis. Kahit mahal, masarap naman.